Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi A4 Avant Black Edition 45 TFSI Quattro S Tronic, available now in Daytona grey pearlescent paintwork. With this being the 45 TFSI, you get a 2-litre turbo petrol engine producing 242 brake horsepower and achieving an estimated 35.3 miles per gallon. With this being the black edition, you do get the black side skirts, roof rails and window surrounds, as well as the chrome badging on the front and rear. On the front we have these fabulous LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, these 19-inch 5-arm rotor design alloy wheels finish in satin grey with a high sheen diamond cut finish, offering a slight contrast to that grey pearlescent paintwork and adding to the overall sporty look of the vehicle. The electrically operated tailgate can be opened from the key or the button under the Audi rings on the boot lid itself. This reveals plenty of storage space for everyday essentials, weekend away luggage and weekly family shop, and the boot floor can be lifted up so that there's extra storage space underneath. The interior is finished in part leather, part Alcantara for maximum luxury and comfort, with centre armrests for rear passengers, as well as tri-zone climate control so they can set their own temperature in the rear of the vehicle, and a 12-volt socket should they need to charge any device. Both outer seats are fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the flat bottom S-Line multifunction steering wheel, Audi virtual cockpit, central touchscreen display and dual-zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with the S badge embossed in at the top, and they are manually adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit is fully customisable using the left side of the multifunction controls. On the right is your volume and voice control, such as mid-journey phone calls and radio station changes, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply the navigational system. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle depending on where the mood takes you on the day. We also have a rear view camera system with front and rear sensors to make parking even in the tight supermarket car parks all the easier. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those colder winter mornings. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video about the approved used Audi A4 Avant Black Edition 45 TFSI Quattro S Tronic, available at Stafford Audi in Daytona Grey. If you have any questions or queries or wish to see the vehicle, simply come on down to the showroom and ask for a friendly sales exec, or call our friendly sales team now.